So if you see this error that says Gemini 3 Pro is no longer available, please switch to Gemini 3.1 Pro in the latest version of Antigravity. Even though I'm using Gemini 3.1 Pro, I am still getting this error. So here is how to fix it. The only way to really fix this is close your Google.Antigravity, open a new browser, and search for Antigravity. You're gonna have to just pretty much download for your operating system all over again, and you will have to reinstall this entirely from scratch. So just to make sure that you know that this works, and I'm going to fully go through with this so I can show you. So let's just do all this. Yeah, and I kind of like this wallpaper. Let me know if you have any nicer ones for wallpaper engine. Okay, so this is done installing. We will launch Antigravity and see if the issue is resolved. So you can see the agent is loading, Gemini 3.1 Pro. One thing I want to make sure is if I go to browser, okay, it's correctly set up. We're going to do a prompt to test it. So, hey, I want to use Gemini 3.1 Pro with remotion and agent skills along with branding instructions and guidelines. And I want Google.Antigravity to help me use my existing screen recording. It's just a raw screen recording. I want you to use Gemini 3.1 Pro, Google.Antigravity remotion and skills to fully edit this video for me to upload to YouTube. I want you to use Gemini 3.1 Pro to create animations, effects, illustrations, and SVGs, because I know Gemini 3.1 Pro is very good at these things. So we'll use Gemini 3.1 Pro to make these assets for the video, but I want you to help me set up the project folder and everything else that I need to achieve this. Okay, so as you can see, at first it says it's no longer available, but then if I just send a follow-up message saying hi, it looks like it's working just fine entirely. It's come up with kind of what I need. The checklist, using remotion, pipeline to edit recording. See, the whole thing, composition, video, assets, integrate Gemini 3.1 Pro. Kind of the whole thing is here. It looks like it's working. So as you can see, the first time it gave me an error, but after doing the reinstallation and just kind of sending a follow-up prompt saying hi, it seems to have fixed the issue. You can see exactly what I want, the using remotion to edit video with Gemini 3.1 Pro, creating all the assets, compositions, the whole thing. So the only simple fix is just reinstall the application entirely, because I'm assuming it's some kind of bug with the caching or file system during the update, not overriding anything, some variables maybe. But yeah, just a simple reinstallation will fix this issue for you. Yeah, I hope this helped you. If it did, please drop a like. If you want me to cover something specific in a future video, please leave a comment.